Welcome to day 12 of PSLE Math.blog, and we are covering circles today. And as you can see the question quite clearly, as always, we will read the question and understand the question. A circle is inside a square. As you can see, there's a circle, it's inside the square. Not only is it inside the square, the circumference of the circle is touching the square. All right, the sides of the square. So this tells me something. This tells me that the length of the diameter of this circle is equal to the length of one side of the square. And they tell us a circle is inside the square of side 7 cm. So we will label now. This is 7 cm. The side is 7 cm, which means that the diameter here is 7 cm, which means that the radius is half, which is 3.5 cm or 3.5 cm. We're supposed to find the area of the shaded part or parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how do we do this? Very simple. Find the area of the square, which is length times breadth, which is also the length because it's the same. It's 49 square cm. And then we need to find the area of this circle. All right, if you have the area of this circle, you can take the area of the square minus the area of the circle. So what's the formula for the area of a circle? It's pi r squared, which is equals to pi times r times r. R stands for radius. Radius times radius. So let's work it out. Okay, first of all, you know that 3.5 cm is equals to, as an improper fraction, 7 over 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 over 2 cm. So I'm going to take pi to be 22 over 7 times 7 over 2 times 7 over 2. What is this? This is the radius. Radius is half the diameter. So we can divide by 7 here. Divide by 7, you get 1. You can divide by 2 over here, you get 1. And divide by 2, you get 11. Now what do you do next? Take the top numbers, multiply them by 11, by 1, by 7. 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 7 is 77. 77. And it's 1 times 1 is 1 times 2 is 2. So it's 77 over 2. And what is 77 over 2? Let's see. 80 divided by 2 is 40. So this must be less than 40. 70 divided by 2 is 35. So this is in between 35 and 40. Okay, 70, 35, 38, and okay, I'm correct, I'm sure, 38.5. Now you take the area of the square minus the area of the circle. Area of square minus area of circle, which is 49 minus 38.5, and your answer is, you get 10.5. So the area of the shaded part is 10.5 square cm. For those who don't understand this concept, I am going to explain with a demonstration in a moment. Okay, here's the explanation. I have made a duplicate of this figure, and as we can see, you can see the circle in the square. And in order to find the shaded part, what we need to do is we find the area of the square, and then we minus or we remove the area of the circle. So what we are actually doing is this: we find the area of a square, it's 49. Then we find the area of the circle. I'm not going to cut fully so accurately. Okay, this is just for you to understand the concept. In fact, you should be doing this. If you are teaching a child, if you are a parent or teacher or tutor teaching a child, this is very, very helpful. I've done this many times, and it just clicks for the student. And if you are a student listening to me and you still don't get the concept, I want you to do what I'm doing here. Draw a circle, draw a square, draw a circle inside the square, and cut out the circle. Right? You cut out the circle. Can you see? You find the area of the square, you find the area of the circle. Area of square minus area of circle gives you the shaded part. And the concept's quite easy. Alright? So, all the best.